question. The question says, Mrs. Maureen spent 1/4 of her monthly income at a shopping mall, 1/3 at an open market, and 2/5 of the remaining amount at the mechanic workshop. If she had 225,000 naira left, find her monthly income and the amount spent at the open market. So now the first thing we're going to do to solve this question is to assume her monthly income. So let's assume that her monthly income is Y. So if her monthly income here is Y, it means that she spent 1/4 of Y at a shopping mall. So she spent Y/4 at a shopping mall. And then she spent 1/3 of her monthly income, 1/3 of Y, which is equal to Y/3, at an open market. And then the question further says that she spent 2/5 of the remaining amount at the mechanic workshop. So after making these two expenses, the remaining amount, she spent 2/5 of it. So what we're going to do is to find that remaining amount that she spent 2/5 of it. So now I'm going to be adding these two values together. So I'll be having Y/4 plus Y/3. The LCM here is 12. So I'm having 3Y plus 4Y. And this is equal to 7Y/12. So this is how much she spent. And then to find the remaining amount of money after she spent this, I have to do Y minus 7Y/12. My LCM here is also 12. And I'll be having 12Y minus 7Y. And 12Y minus 7Y is 5, I think. Yes, it should be 5Y. So 5Y/12 is the remaining amount of money after the money she spent at the shopping mall and at the open market. So since she spent 2/5 of this at the mechanics workshop, it means that we have 5Y/12 multiplied by 2/5. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 6, 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So she spent Y/6 at the mechanic workshop. And now they said after all of these expenses, she had 225,000 naira left, and we should find her monthly income. Her monthly income, Y, is equal to whatever that she spent at the shopping mall at the open market, which is 7Y/12, plus what she spent at the mechanic workshop, which is Y/6, plus what she had left, which is 225,000 naira. So my LCM here is going to be 12. So I'll be having 7Y plus 2Y plus 225,000 multiplied by 12. Let me check that. It's giving me 2,700,000. So this here is equal to Y. I'm going to cross multiply. Sorry about that. And I'm going to be having that 7Y plus 2Y plus 207 plus 2,700,000 is equal to 12Y. I'm going to be collecting like terms, and I'm going to have that 2,700,000 is equal to 12Y minus 7Y minus 2Y. And this is equal to 3Y. So I'm having 2,700,000 is equal to 3Y. So I'll divide here by 3, divide here by 3. And I'm going to be having 900,000. So her monthly income is 900,000 naira. So this is her monthly income. And remember, the question also said that we should find the amount spent at the open market. So at the open market, this is the open market, she spent Y/3. So to find this, I'm simply, since I've gotten that my y is 900,000 naira, I'm going to be doing 900,000 naira divided by 3. And 900,000 naira divided by 3 is giving me 300,000. So this is equal to 300,000 naira. So she spent at the open market, she spent 300,000 naira. So her total income is 900,000 and then she spent 300,000 naira at the open market. I hope I solved this question well to your understanding, and please make sure to like, share and subscribe.